Hi, my name is Celeste Sadler, and I'm the coordinator of teacher development here at Gaston County Schools. Today, we are at Stuart Cramer for our first day of TIPS. TIPS stands for the Teacher Induction Program for Success. We will be meeting with our teachers 3 days this week so they can get an overview of our school system.
Hey, I'm Noelle Vandermeed, and I'm a secondary ITF, Instructional Technology Facilitator, and we're here working with our new teachers, our beginning teachers, on all the classroom technology that they have available to them and some of our programs and applications that we can use to help make instruction really, really powerful for 21st century learners.
Yeah, the TIPS program has been really helpful in starting to get to know the school faculty, the Gaston County School system, the various services they provide to support their teachers.
One of the things that is taught me is how to build that connection with students, what to look for in your students, and how to be that positive impact for your students and how to make a difference on each child's life.
The TIPS program has helped me as a new teacher by giving me a whole lot of information so that I'm better prepared for the school year and the upcoming events for the year, and I'm excited.
First day of school, just looking to be back in the classroom in front of students, getting to know them, getting to know the other instructors, the other teachers, the faculty, just understanding what goals the students have and helping them achieve those goals.
On the first day of school, I'm most looking forward to making connections with my students and really getting to know them on a personal level. I think that understanding your students is really important to creating a positive classroom environment.
What I'm looking forward to the most for the first day of school is getting to meet all of my little ones and they come together and getting to know their personalities on the first day.